Surprisingly, we are trapped in an endless loop, possibly under the illusion of our own existence. Every day, we wake up to a new theory explaining the universe or a better understanding of our universe. Research scientists and astronomers work non-stop to gain new insights using advanced technologies. These theories are based on research into electromagnetic waves emitted by space objects such as stars, galaxies, and black holes. Thus, in today's world, scientists have made strides towards resolving the universe's incredible quandaries. This video will teach you about some of the most amazing theories about the universe. Number 1. The Big Bang Theory. When the Big Bang Theory was first proposed in the 1920s, scientists were baffled by its implications. With new advancements and devices, researchers have come to believe the theory over time. According to this theory, the universe began approximately 13 billion years ago with every particle of energy concentrated into a single point, singularity. In other words, it was not triggered by anything. Instead, the Big Bang caused space to expand and cool. As a result of this minute point exploding with unimaginable force, matter was created. The propulsion of this matter outward resulted in the formation of billions of galaxies, further expanding our universe. However, none of this happened in an instant. Instead, as space expanded, the Big Bang began to cool, allowing the formation of the most basic elements. As a result, gravity drew these matter building blocks together in a massive cloud of gas and dust to form stars and galaxies. The idea that such a massive explosion could come from nothing is still perplexing, but scientific evidence proves it. Scientists observed large amounts of background radiation known as cosmic microwave background using high-tech measuring devices. It is thought to be an echo or shockwave from the Big Bang that fills all of space. Number 2. The Black Hole Theory. What do we know about the black hole? Despite the fact that it remains a mystery, it is simply a location in space where gravity attracts everything and there is no way to escape. Light cannot even pass through. Furthermore, due to the strong gravitational force, the matter is compressed into a small space. Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity has significantly supported the theory of black holes. Gravity is defined as a curving of space and time. He also explains how space and time are intertwined as a space-time fabric. Similarly, the more mass an object has, the more the fabric will stretch. In addition, the surrounding matter would be consumed by a black hole, resulting in zero-dimensionality. As a result of the intense gravitational force, time would also slow down. The formation of a black hole is dependent on the remnants of a giant star after it dies in a supernova explosion. Given the black hole theory and all of the scientific evidence, the Big Bang appears to be its inverse perspective. Number 3. An infinite loop theory. What if we told you that something did initiate the beginning of our universe now that we understand the Big Bang? This brings us to the theory of infinite loops. Some scientists and physicists believe we live in a loop in which the universe is constantly remaking itself. According to this theory, we are all trapped in a closed sphere, and new particles can be created by cloning existing particles. In layman's terms, an infinite loop implies that the universe shrank to a high heat and density point, resulting in the Big Bang, and it would again form an imperfect clone of our universe, thus the never-ending loop. Some believe it is impossible due to established scientific and mathematical laws, but others firmly believe it. Does this imply that we have duplicates of our planet floating around in space? We may never find out. Number 4. The Multiverse Theory. What if we're stuck in a loop, starting from the far end and returning to ourselves, while many other universes exist? Despite the fact that the concept may appear absurd, physicists have developed an unthinkable understanding of a multiverse theory. As the name implies, a hypothetical group of multiple universes with distinct laws and billions of galaxies and stars may exist in reality. As a result, our universe is only a small part of a much larger structure. The concept has only existed theoretically and philosophically thus far, but it is still very strong. Scientists believe that the inflation that occurred after the Big Bang, which created integral parts of our universe, could be eternal. While it may have ended in our universe, it continued at the far ends, resulting in a multiverse with all physical properties. What if it's true, and there is life despite your ignorance? As a result, you may want to consider a life beyond your current circumstances. Number 5. The Last Thursdayism Theory. We have been taught that the universe is billions of years old since the beginning of time. Nonetheless, new research contradicts the assumed fact, claiming that it is all a big fat lie. Instead, the universe only appeared to exist last Thursday, with only the appearance of being old. This theory asserts unequivocally that everything everything prior to last Thursday, including your memories, was an illusion, not reality. The concept of last Thursdayism is so astounding that theorists could use it to counter any argument against it by blaming it on false creation. You might not believe it theoretically, but it works mathematically. According to this theory, we should only consider the present and disregard anything prior or subsequent. According to the argument, we know nothing but ourselves, and everything we've ever known is an illusion. What if none of this exists at the moment? Despite how perplexing the phenomenon is, it gives us plenty to think about. All of these theories exist today because science studies anything that can be observed or mathematically proven. As a result, everything from our universe to the possibility of a multiverse is open to endless speculation. It all depends on what you want to believe. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Thank you for tuning in.